Okay, so this thing, major pain in the ass. Because this thing is bent. See this right here? This is stupid. Why is it bent like this? You see? It's bent. Alright, so getting it back in and locking into place, you gotta pull this guy. So, how do we do that? I have no idea. So, we're gonna figure it out and show you. Yes, this thing is a major pain in the ass. So that's what you're looking at from the back side. See that third prong right there close to the right side? That's got to get pushed in to that square hole, that rectangular hole. Now I'll pull it back and show you again. A pain in the ass, stupid. See that square hole? Now if it were my car, I would just snip this thing, cut it right off. Because all you need to pull, you see? See that little triangular thing at the end of my index finger? That is what snaps it into the square, and that's what you're trying to line up. So you're gonna fight just like I am, because it's not gonna go back. You see? Not fun. So haha. So what I did is I grabbed that little nub. Let's see if I can zoom in. There you go. That little plastic, this guy I'm touching. I grabbed it with this and pulled as I pushed this in. Can't do it with one hand. Hell no. No way. And then when you get to the back, you gotta get this thing to lock into place. So do you want to take it off? That's up to you. Got it. A little bit of fighting. It wasn't actually that bad. 2 minutes maybe. I got it to snap back in. You want to snap back in, and I'm not going to take it off to show you because I don't want to fight again. But you can get it. I have faith in you.